The Earth, our shared home, is where life begins and regenerates, sustaining generations to come. As the planet faces unprecedented challenges, ensuring sustainability has become more critical than ever. At Emma, we believe in creating a sustainable future through small but meaningful actions. With 16,000 members spanning 170 countries, we inspire changemakers and responsible citizens to act today. We invited 6 impact entrepreneurs in the Emma community to share their insights on sustainability and offer practical tips.
I have a background in fashion design, and that's why I'm passionate about sustainable fashion. Sustainability can seem overwhelming sometimes, but there are some easy things that we can do as consumers. So repairing and upcycling is important because it reduces waste, it preserves resources, and it reduces environmental impact by extending the product's life. In my free time, I like experimenting new ways of making sustainable fashion. So for example, I made this outfit. I used dead stock fabric. I drew the pattern myself directly on the fabric. I cut it, handmade it, and ta-da! Something that we can change, and it's very easy, is to know yourself more, so that whenever you buy stuff, you would know what you actually need, what you actually value, and not be influenced by trends.
Sustainability in construction means to balance what we save and what we waste, focusing on using efficiently the resources we have as a community, and most important, adding green spaces into our cities, making them a vibrant extension of our homes. Well, I will give you 2 simple examples. The first one, to maximize natural ventilation and daylight, to not depend so much on artificial systems. And the second one, and most important, reuse water as much as you can. Water is the most important and vital resource by capturing rainwater for irrigation or for household cleaning.
From supporting the various projects led by Emma members to participating in local tree planting events, the Emma community is taking steps forward to build a sustainable future.
I think it's a really good opportunity to have a network with local people and then to contribute to the local biodiversity.
It's such a nice experience, also adventurous with the weather, as you can see. And yeah, it was fun to do it together with so many people and the Erasmus students.
To me, we need to walk more, we need to cycle more, we need to take more trains and buses rather than the other travel options that are currently available on the market. People, if you consider the door-to-door travel time, there isn't that much difference between high-speed trains and airplanes.
Through my journey in sustainability, I realized it's not rocket science, and one big thing we can all do to help is to reduce our food waste. This is very simple. You can make sure that you only buy what you can eat, you finish your leftovers, and what's left you put in the compost bin.
The biggest challenge for reducing waste in the community is to make sure that our system is both easy and inclusive. In Kamikatsu, Japan, the town was able to achieve nearly zero waste by reducing and recycling waste into over 45 different categories. By uniting around a common goal, we started from a small town into a global leader for sustainability, showcasing that collective action can really drive change.
Now, it's your turn. Does sustainability matter to you? Do you care about the future of your loved ones and the world they will inherit? If so, start with small, intentional choices today, because change begins with us.
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 Change begins with us.